Good evening, dear students. Welcome to Knowledge Hub Education System. Today I have selected topics, the domains of the earth. There are four major domains of the earth. The first one is lithosphere. Lithosphere is the sphere of rock or solid materials. Our earth is the outermost surface of the earth is also called the lithosphere because it is made up of minerals and solid particles. The average thickness of the lithosphere is 100 kilometer. Students, lithosphere is very important because it is the major source of the so many minerals which is found inside the lithosphere. It is very important domain of the earth as all the plants and human beings live on this sphere, and it is the major source of the so many minerals on the earth. The second is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the sphere of water. The vast water bodies like ocean, sea, the pond, rivers, they comes under the hydrosphere. Dear students, hydrosphere is also very important because we obtain a lot of minerals from the hydrosphere. Do you know that a large number of the aquatic plants and animals live in the hydrosphere? They are the major source of the food materials, and there are so many minerals that is found in the hydrosphere. Most of the salt we get from the ocean. This is the gift of the hydrosphere. The third is atmosphere. प्यारे बच्चों, atmosphere, our earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air that is called atmosphere. Atmosphere contains a lot of dust particles, water vapor, and some other gases. It contains 78% of the nitrogen, 21% of the oxygen, and almost 1% of the carbon dioxide and other constituent of the atmosphere. बच्चों, एटमॉस्फेयर भी हमारे लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट डोमेन्स है अर्थ का, because it regulates the temperature of the earth's surface. It helps to observe the harmful ultraviolet rays which is radiated from the sun and make the earth possible to survive all the living things on the earth. Dear students, if there is no atmosphere, no living things will survive on the surface of the earth. So it makes the suitable to survive or sustain life on the earth. The suitable conditions to sustain life on the earth. Student, it is very clear that atmosphere is very important sphere of the or domain of the earth. It provides us the oxygen that is very useful for human being for respiration purpose. It also provides carbon dioxide that is essential for plants for the process of photosynthesis. Therefore, it is clear that atmosphere is very important domain of the earth. Now, the biosphere. The sphere of life is called biosphere. It includes all the plants, animal life on the earth surface. As you know that the biosphere is present on the lithosphere as well as in atmosphere and in hydrosphere also. There are so many aquatic plants and animals that are present in the hydrosphere that includes the sphere of the biosphere. Biosphere has its own importance. Without biosphere, there is no meaning of the domain of the earth, because the earth is the only planet where life can sustain. And due to the presence of all these things, including in the lithosphere, in the hydrosphere, in the atmosphere, earth is suitable climate, earth is suitable planet to survive or support the life on the earth. Thank you.